Good morning. Today we will find the dominant range of inverse function. So magkaroon muna tayo ng f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole over x minus 5. So hindi pa siya inverse. Hanapin natin ang domain ito. Look for the denominator which is x minus 5. Equate natin sa 0. So we have x minus 5 is equal to 0. And by using additive inverse or transpose, we have x minus 5. Thus, ang ating domain ay x such that x is an element of real where x is not equal to 5. Solve naman natin ang range ng ating given. So, represent lang natin ang f of x is equal to y. So, meron tayong y is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 5. Multiplying both sides by x minus 5. Cancel ito at ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng xy minus 5y. So, pagsasamahin naman natin ang lahat ng x sa kabilang side. So, by transpose, nagkaroon tayo ng xy minus x is equal to 5y plus 1. Factoring, we have, ginawa natin monomial factor ang x, so magkakaroon tayo ng x times the quantity of y minus 1 is equal to 5y plus 1. Dividing both sides by y minus 1. Nakuha na natin ang ating x which is equal to 5y plus 1 all over y minus 1. And by looking at sa denominator nito, we have y minus 1. Equate lang natin sa 0. So which is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 0. By using transpose or additive inverse, magkakaroon tayo ng y is equal to 1. So ang ating range ay y such that y is an element of real where y is not equal to 1. Hanapin naman natin ang inverse ng ating given na f of x is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 5. So, palitan lang uli natin ang f of x ng y. Magkakaroon tayo ng y is equal to x plus 1 all over x minus 5. We interchange the x and y variable. So, we have x is equal to y plus 1 all over y minus 5. Multiplying both sides by y minus 5. Cancel. Meron na tayo xy minus 5x is equal to y plus 1. So, pagsamahin lang natin ang y sa isang side, magkakaroon tayo ng xy minus y is equal to 5x plus 1. Gawin natin monomial factor ang y. We have y times the quantity of x minus 1 is equal to 5x plus 1. Dividing both sides by x minus 1, cancel na ito, Thus, meron tayo the inverse of f of x is equal to 5x plus 1 all over x minus 1. So now, hahanapin na natin ang domain ng ating inverse function. By looking at its denominator, we have x minus 1, equate natin sa 0. We have x minus 1 is equal to 0. By using transpose or additive inverse, we have x is equal to 1. Thus, our domain is x such that x is an element of real where x is not equal to 1. Hanapin naman natin ang range ng ating inverse function. Represent ulit natin as y is equal to 5x plus 1 all over x minus 1. By multiplying both sides by x minus 1, cancel ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng xy minus y. Pagsamahin natin lahat ng x sa isang side lamang. So, magkakaroon tayo ng xy minus 5x is equal to y plus 1. Gawin natin monomial factor ang x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x times the quantity of y minus 1 is equal to y plus 1. Dividing both sides by y minus 5. Meron na tayong x is equal to 5y plus 1 all over y minus 5. And pag tinignan natin ang ating denominator, we have y minus 5 equates to 0. And by using additive inverse or transpose, we have y is equal to 5. So, ang ating range ay y such that y is an element of real where y is not equal to 5. Let us now compare the domain and range ng ating function and ng ating inverse function. So, we have the domain na ang restriction ay not equal sa 5 sa ating function. Ang range naman, dapat not equal to 1. Sa ating inverse function, sa domain, dapat hindi tayo magkaroon ng 1 or hindi dapat equal sa 1. Sa ating range naman, ang restriction niya ay not equal to 5. At kung mapapansin, ang restrictions nila ay alternator magkabaliktad. Sa domain, ang restriction sa domain ay ng ating function ay equal sa restriction ng range sa ating inverse. While yung restriction naman sa range ng ating function ay equal sa restriction ng domain ng ating inverse. So, magkabaliktad lamang ang kanilang domain at range. Example number 2, we have f of x is equal to 5x plus 3. Remember na kapag ang degree ng ating given function ay odd, 1, 3, 5, and so on and so forth, ang domain range nito ay laging real. Thus, ang domain natin ay set of all real, at ang range natin ay set of all real numbers din. Kunin na natin ang inverse ng ating given function. We have y is equal to 5x plus 3. Interchange the x and y variable. We have x is equal to 5y plus 3. So, transpose lang natin ang 3 sa kabilang side. We have x minus 3 is equal to 5y. Dividing both side by 5, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus 3 all over 5 is equal to y. Thus, the inverse of f of x is equal to x minus 3 all over 5. And its domain is the set of all real numbers. At ang range nito ay set of all real numbers din.